Welcome to Culinary Cultures, cooking authentic dishes from around the world. Today, join us on an exciting journey as we dive into the rich culinary tapestry of country name. Every dish tells a story, and here, flavors come alive with history and heritage. From ancient marketplaces to modern kitchens, we'll discover the secrets that make iconic dish a cultural cornerstone. Picture yourself wandering through vibrant spice markets, where each aroma whispers tales of the past. What makes iconic dish a symbol of cultural pride? Is it the tradition passed through generations, or the unique blend of ingredients defining its essence? In this segment, we'll uncover the dish's roots. Through fascinating stories and a historical backdrop, each recipe becomes a living testament to its culture. Prepare to be inspired as we reveal the magic behind the dish and the society it nourishes. As we move forward, consider, how does food transcend borders and time? Stay with us as we delve into this savory adventure, culminating in a taste that promises delight and discovery. Ready to dive in? Let's explore the flavors and history together. As our journey unfolds, explore the intricate tapestry woven through the art of gastronomy. Today, we unveil a dish that encapsulates more than just ingredients. It's a story, a testament to tradition, and a celebration of heritage. More than mere sustenance, this dish serves as a gateway to understanding its culture of origin. A savory bridge to the past, it speaks of generations and their wisdom, imparted through cherished recipes. In vibrant flavors and textures, you find tales of triumph and daily life passed down through time. Imagine the hands preparing this dish for family gatherings, joyous celebrations, and solemn reflections. It's a reminder that food is not just about nourishment. It's about community, identity, and history. Let us reveal this culinary masterpiece's canvas of tradition. Stay with us as we explore ingredients, techniques, and stories that deepen our appreciation of global culinary arts. Up next, we gather authentic ingredients that form the foundation of this creation. Let's embark on a delicious detour into authenticity, starting with the heart and soul of our dish, the ingredients. Each spice, herb, and vegetable narrates stories from its origins, whispering tales of age-old kitchens perfected through generations. We'll begin by listing our essential elements, each chosen for its cultural significance and unique flavor. Our journey takes us to local markets, teeming with vibrant produce and aromatic spices, forged in lands where this dish was born. Sourcing authentic ingredients becomes a culinary adventure on its own. Whether it's saffron threads from Persia or hand-ground spices crafted by local artisans, these treasures transform ordinary meals into masterpieces. As we collect ingredients, focus on their origin, ensuring authenticity enriches both our dish and our cultural understanding. Next, we'll bring these elements into the kitchen, transforming them under tradition's guidance into flavors reflecting the cultural tapestry they emerge from. Stay tuned as we delve into the cooking process step by step. In our bustling kitchen, where fragrant spices fill the air, we begin our cooking journey. Today, we immerse ourselves in ancient traditions that have stood the test of time. As the first ingredient meets the chopping board, listen to the knife's rhythm, a melody echoing centuries. With each step, we honor the legacy of those who came before us. Watch the ingredients transform, one by one, under skillful hands. Each movement holds significance, steeped in ritual, passed down. Now we bring heat to the pan, awakening flavors within. The sizzle of oil and smoke's whisper tell stories of meals shared among loved ones. Follow along as we embrace the balance between heat and patience, simplicity and complexity. We focus on the precise art of timing. A dance, really, blending intuition and technique. This is not just a checklist, it's a celebration of culture captured in every dish. As we continue, we reflect on ingredients offering sustenance and stories of their lands. Each stir of the pot brings us closer, not only to completing a meal, but to understanding a culture. These dishes are more than food. They are connections to a vibrant past, alive through taste and tradition. Stay with us as we delve deeper, learning the reasons behind every action, the why giving depth to the how. Engage your senses and uncover secrets woven into this humble process. Let us continue, preparing for the discovery awaiting in our next step, where personal tales breathe life into our culinary journey. Let flavors guide you deeper into culture's heart. In this segment, we delve into personal and cultural stories interwoven with these cherished dishes. Picture sitting with those deeply connected to these meals. As we listen, narratives unfold, revealing a tapestry of tradition, memory, and identity. We meet individuals who passionately explain how these dishes transcend recipes, serving as a living testament to history, shared with love and belonging. Hear anecdotes of family gatherings, celebrations, and stories passed through generations. The interviewees share how food bridges their ancestral past and enriches their present. These cultural insights illuminate why this dish holds a revered place, offering a glimpse of evolving yet steadfast flavors. As we prepare to explore challenges in upholding authenticity, let's carry these personal stories with us, reminding us every dish is cultural heritage, preserved through taste and tradition. Stay with us as we reveal the secrets behind the perfect blend of authenticity and innovation. Every dish tells a story, but not without challenges. As we aim for authenticity, hurdles arise, from elusive ingredients to mastering techniques. You might wonder how to replicate time-honored tastes in your kitchen. Fear not, as we delve into overcoming these obstacles. Imagine a complex recipe, steeped in history, where balancing flavors feels like an elusive dream. But with creativity and determination, solutions emerge, perhaps substituting unavailable spices or adapting methods for modern technology. Understanding these nuances isn't just about tradition, but the spirit of innovation it inspires. Here, we embrace creativity while respecting the dish's essence. As you tackle challenges, remember, each solution honors the authentic essence of global culinary arts. Let's uncover pathways ensuring tradition's taste remains vivid and true. As we master these conundrums, our appetite for cultural exploration deepens. Now, let's proceed to add the final touches that bring life to our kitchen creations. The final chapter in our culinary journey awaits, the moment the dish truly comes to life. With all ingredients meticulously crafted and combined, it's time for final touches. This is where art meets cuisine, where delicate herbs, drizzles of sauce, and thoughtful garnishes transform each plate. Each touch breathes life into the dish, elevating it from sustenance to tradition and culture's story. Feel anticipation as the dish readies for grand presentation. We present not just a meal, but a testament to culinary traditions passed through generations. As you witness these final touches, envision the tastes and aromas making this dish an exaltation of its origins, a tribute to its homeland. Get ready, as next we delve into the taste test, savoring the flavors that make this cultural masterpiece. Come to your table. In this final, tantalizing step, we bring the dish to life with the taste test. Our senses eagerly await the mysteries of flavor in this authentic creation. As we take a bite, aromas and textures dance on the palate, telling the story of tradition and skill. Let's discuss these flavors, a symphony cultivated through careful ingredient selection and balanced traditional techniques. Each taste speaks of the culture it hails from, a testament to rich history and the hands that crafted it. It's not just a meal, it's a narrative inviting exploration and understanding of distant traditions. As we savor these moments, reflect on the artistry involved, from sourcing to preparation, each step merging seamlessly. Now let's transition into thoughtful reflection on the techniques mastered, enriching palates and understanding cultural diversity. Join us for this captivating transition, diving deeper into lessons and the beauty of legacy. Stay with us as we reflect on timeless techniques teachings. As our culinary exploration concludes, it's time to reflect on techniques embraced. Each dish offered unique challenges, opportunities blending tradition with execution. From simmering art to perfecting flavors, each technique added depth. In the kitchen, the past meets present, crafting a story on each plate, a story of learning from tradition. We discovered authenticity requires patience and reverence for each step, adapting and honoring time-honored methods, elevating our culinary skill. Witnessing the heart and soul in these dishes, we're privileged to carry cultural heritage through food. As aroma wafts from creation, savor not just taste, but experience and history in every bite. Here, cooking transcends nourishment, a celebration of traditions, and an invitation to learn. Stay with us for more adventures, but for now, reflect on flavors, journeys, and promise of culinary discoveries to come. As this flavorful journey concludes, we invite you to explore world kitchens, Unlock secrets of diverse cuisines. Bring adventure to your table. Each dish is a story waiting for you to experience. Let curiosity guide you through global flavors tapestry. Your culinary adventure awaits, filled with vibrant tastes and cultural tales. Join us as we delve deeper into authentic cooking, one recipe at a time. Embark on this journey, discover new passions, explore the world through food, making every meal a celebration of our shared culinary heritage.